Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If it turns gray when you press it, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. I recommend that you press it. That is called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of what the video is about. And all you have to do is press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys missing out. So by pressing the bell, it'll show up, it'll tell you what the video is about, and like I said, you press on it, it's a shortcut and it's a win-win. And then if it's nothing that's, that you want to watch later, you know that it's waiting for you in your inbox for you. Okay, today is the day we're going to be going through the Target boxes for the month of April. Last month was the first month where I bought both. They usually only have like one, and lately they've been having a couple. So I decided that I wasn't like overly excited about these boxes, and I was hemming and hawing and hemming and hawing, and then I decided these boxes are $7. They usually come with at least 5 products inside. So it makes it a little over $1 a product. So even just to try, I figured it's worth it, that even if I find one winner in the box, it ends up paying for the box. So for me, that was how my mindset was when I decided to do this. Plus, I have the channel and I want to make sure that the Target boxes are something that I used to get so excited about when they were like so hard to come by and you had to like get on it right away, and they would, I missed out on a lot of the Target boxes. So to me, the Target boxes are a definite win. Also, they usually come with a coupon, but we'll go through all of that. So if you saw what they call the thumbnail, which is the picture that tells you about the video, I have 2 boxes. One is really heavy, so I'm going to start with this one first, and then we'll go through them together. So like I said, these are $7. They usually ship for free. I don't know if that's for everybody or only if I have, because I have a Target card that it ships for free, but double check on your end when you go on target.com. These are also only available online, and that's what I know. I very rarely saw Target boxes in the store. So the first one that we're going into, it's called Spring to Clean. I should show you how gorgeous the box is first. This is how beautiful. They really have stepped up their game on their boxes. These boxes are definitely keepsake, and they're really pretty. And then they match the outside box with the inside tissue paper, and then underneath the tissue paper are all the goodies that we're going to be going through. Here is the card. On one side, it just tells you spring into the clean. The start of a new season isn't just about refreshing your wardrobe or scrubbing the floors. Your beauty regimen needs some love too. From soothing shampoo bars, yes, a bar, which is what intrigued me on this one. It says to nourishing detanglers and makeup remover wipes. They'll leave your skin glowing. Here are the products you need to spring into the fresh, clean routine you can thank us later. Try them out and you will love them as much as we do. You can find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. If you like what you tried, we want to see what you got, they tell you to, hashtag Target Beauty and so on and so forth. Then on the other side, it tells you what the products are and then how to use them. And then they give you a $3 coupon, which is available on beauty purchases of $15 or more, which they consider cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. And this is going to expire August the 6th. So they're giving us a lot of time, probably based on what's going on in the world right now. So really happy about that. So I'm going to open up the box, and then I'm going to go by the list here so that I make sure that I have everything in the box. I do open up my boxes prior to filming to take my picture on Instagram, because on YouTube we play. So I want to make sure everything looks pristine for the Instagram, and then here we do swatches and test and smell and see what everything's all about. So, and also if there's any hard wrapping to remove, I try to do that too, just a little bit, so that I don't struggle on camera. All right, the first item that's in here is this big package. Let's see if I can get it better. There we go. It's called Pacifica Glowing Glycolic Acid Orange and Vanilla Makeup Removing Wipes. And this says the wipes were made with glycolic acid, coconut water, and aloe, working to remove makeup and oil while helping you get your glow on. They're saying the FYI on this, it says the glycolic acid is a natural ingredient that will exfoliate away dead skin to reveal a newer, brighter layer underneath. So really excited to get that. And Pacifica is a really, really good brand. The next item that we have is from The Good Stuff. It is this little bottle here. Let's do it better. There we go. And on this, it is 2 fluid ounces. It is a no rinse conditioner. It's saying for towel dried hair. It's a complete repair balm, and it's good, it says, for damaged hair. It's saying it's vegan. So that's all the information that's on the bottle here. Now, what they wrote on the card, they're saying that this is a lightweight detangler, which will loosen knots and use lightweight silicones to strengthen and nourish your strands, leaving your hair feeling soft and looking smooth. They're saying the how-to is to just spread a quarter size amount onto your hands, then work it through a towel dried hair. Avoid the roots, dry and style the strands as you want. So if all you need is a quarter amount, this is a good amount for us to try and see what it's about. But I love the name. It's called The Good Stuff. The next item that's in here, and I just started using from a previous box, the packaging like this. This is supposed to be, you know, more eco-friendly. Really excited. I am using it. It's from Acure, and it's the it's a cleanser. I haven't tried the glycolic treatment yet. This is a resurfacing overnight one. I don't think I have this one. This is what this looks like here, but I just pulled these out to try to start using them. So this is called, like I said, the Resurfacing Overnight Glycolic Treatment. It is a glycolic treatment which refines and refreshes your skin while visibly improving your tone and texture for a radiant, dewy complexion. So really excited to have that as well. The next item looks humongous, and this is from Shea Moisture. And this looks like it's definitely a full-size product. This has over 4 ounces. It has cannabis, hemp seed oil, and witch hazel. It is a skin rescue cream cleanser, and it does not contain any CBD oil or THC. Shea Moisture is a really, really good brand also. And this, what they wrote, this is a fragrance-free toner made with hemp seed oil, witch hazel, and a vitamin E, refreshing, clarifying for happy, healthy skin. They're saying that, let's see. This is saying it's a cleanser, and it's saying it's a cleanser there, but it's saying it's a fragrance-free toner. So I don't know if what they wrote is correct, but it's completely sealed. So let me just take a little bit off here. It's a cleanser, so there's no point in me opening it, but there is absolutely no scent on this at all. So I'm gonna just read the back here, and says, apply a dime-sized amount on damp skin, rinse well, follow with a moisturizer. Keep calm, reduced. Yeah, it doesn't make sense what's written on the card versus what's on here, but this looks like it's a cleanser, not a toner. The next item that's in the box here is what really intrigued me. It's from Spring and Vine. They're saying it is a shampoo bar. That's what that looks like here. And what's written on the paperwork here, it says it is a soothing shampoo bar and a clarifying tea tree mint scented cleanse hair, leaving it looking fresh and clean. They're saying bars are PETA certified vegan and cruelty free. It's not tested on animals, and it's packaged in a recyclable paper box. And on the back here, I'm going to read it all to you, but that's what it says here. It just says not tested on animals, no synthetic fragrances, suitable beauty, concentrated formula, lasts as long as a bottle of shampoo, which is a traditional shampoo bottle, which is 12.6. It just simply says wet hair and scalp, swipe on the hair between your hands to create lather, massage into the hair and scalp, and rinse to clean. So I'm excited to try this. And then I figured if it's something that I'm not overly thrilled with, no, there's no scent really, just a fresh scent. I figured I would use it to clean my makeup brushes. So that's why I decided to get it. And once I got the first box, I said, okay, you know what? Let me get both boxes, because maybe like this box it'll be just as exciting when I open it to see what else is available. And plus on my channel, I want you guys to see the options before you go and spend your money. So that's the first box that we got. So really, really excited about that. And if you like the one, it's with the green, it's called Spring Into Clean. And like I said, these were $7 with the free shipping. The next box is this blue box, and that's what it looks like here. And inside the card is also blue, and like I said, the tissue paper is blue to match the outside. Let's open her up and let's see what we have here. So I'll tell you when we get inside which was the one that made me say, okay, I'm going to grab it. All right, this one says, so like the other box, everything is on here. What they wrote on this card is, looking to clean up your beauty routine, we got you. Start small by swapping your everyday serum, your toothpaste, your deodorant, your lotion, and those good for you alternatives. It's packed with yummy ingredients. We promise you will look great and feel even better. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, you can find the full-size versions at target.com/beauty. This also has that coupon for $3 that expires also August the 6th. All right, so the first item on the card says it is ARTNaturals Vitamin C Serum. So vitamin C is usually really expensive, so I like when we get these little bottles too, because also with vitamin C, as soon as you open it, you have to make sure to use it like right away. And this says it's a moisturizing, brightening formula, vitamin C. It's from a company called ARTNaturals. And what it's written here, it says this is a rich blend of botanical ingredients that helps repair wrinkles, fine lines, and sunspots to brighten, tighten the skin for a plump, moisturizing, glowing complexion. They're saying the how-to is, after cleansing, apply the serum to a cotton ball and then gently sweep it across your face in an upward motion. Let it dry, then follow with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration. I don't like to use vitamin C on cotton balls. I like to put them on my hands so that we don't lose any of it, because vitamin C usually is very expensive. This came with a safety seal that I started the tear of it so that I could just pull off the little bit to show you guys here. And it comes in this dropper formula, and it has no scent to it either. And with vitamin C, oops, let's take a little bit in the bottle, would be nice. That's what the color looks like there. We'll just do a drop or two here. And it is a serum that you could see, it's a little thicker, but it still runs. So it'll be definitely your first step before you do anything else. So if you do an essence first, which is even less, the least amount, so water and then serums, then moisturizers. So it goes from the least amount to the thickest. That's how is a good way to remember the steps of the routine to put it on there. And it spreads like unbelievable. So that one drop, start with one drop, and then if you don't have enough, then you know, add that second drop. I think 2 drops would be way too much, but it definitely penetrated into the skin really quickly. It leaves it with a nice non-sticky finish. Totally went into my skin. I mean, like that. That's dry. Okay, perfect. So vitamin C was one of the reasons I got this, and I'll show you the second one. The next item here is from Hello. It's a PBA-free toothbrush. And that's what it looks like here. And the bristles on this are black bristle. I don't know if you guys can see that through the packaging. So what's written on here, they're saying it is a charcoal-infused taper bristle. It's naturally friendly, and it's PBA-free toothbrush. Really unique. So this is, it says, say hello to the maximum brushing happiness with your super soft tapered bristles that are infused with an activated charcoal and a super comfy handmade with plant extract materials. Remember to replace your toothbrushes every 90 days. 90 days, excuse me. Okay, there we go. Then the next item in here was some toothpaste that was from the same brand. And this says, this is a hemp seed oil and coconut oil fluoride-free toothpaste. They're saying the tube of awesome rocks, hemp seed oil, coconut oil, and Yakima Valley spearmint to take the moisturizing and mind-blowing freshness up to an 11. They're saying, did you know that some of the world's best spearmint comes from the Yakima Valley in Washington State? So that's some new information. We will definitely give that a try. The next item that's in here was deodorant. So this also came with this plastic wrapping that I started it had that zipper that you pull it down and then it automatically easily gets removed. That's what it looks like here. This is from a brand that I've seen on some of the shopping channels, so that's what intrigued me also. It's from the brand called Lavanila, and it's a healthy deodorant. It's a natural formula. It has no parabens and no aluminum. And this one here says it is a pure, healthy vanilla deodorant. It's all natural, freshly scented deodorant. It's packed with antioxidants and proprietary, beta-glucan technology that not only fights odor, but it will nourish and strengthen and soothe the skin. It's completely free of aluminum, parabens, and harsh chemicals. So that's what it looks like here. It's a twist-off cap, and it smells fresh, but I thought it would smell more vanilla-y, and it doesn't. It just has a very, very fresh scent. So it's one of these solids that you just twist up, and that's what it looks like there. And I'll just put it over my vitamin C that I put here, and then see if there's a smell that comes off more when you massage it into your skin. No, that same fresh scent that it smells like in the tube there. And then the last item in here is what intrigued me. This is from the brand called Love, Beauty and Planet. It is a coconut milk white jasmine. It's a hand cream. I love having hand creams. I keep these always beside my bed, and every night now I put them on, and I'm finding such a difference in my skin in the morning. I love using hand creams. So this one and Love and Beauty Planet, I have really enjoyed their products. I've gotten introduced to it through these Target boxes with their shampoos and conditioners, some of their soft soaps, but I've never had their hand cream, so I'm really excited to have this. So this is Love and Beauty. It's a coconut milk and white jasmine hand cream. It's fast absorbing hand cream made with natural coconut milk and the scent of white jasmine. It will soften parched skin and smell scrumptious. I think I'm going to start saying scrumptious instead of delicious. Okay, also comes with a safety seal. Let's pull that back a little bit. That's what it looks like here. And let me just put a little bit in an area that I did not put the deodorant, and we shall be fine. So it comes up like a really thick cream, which is really, really nice. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Really fresh. It smells like honeysuckle. That's what that smells like to me. Really, really pretty. Really, really happy. But they're saying the scents are, don't go by me. This is coconut milk and white jasmine, and it's called Divine Indulgence. And that's what that looks like there. So to me, this is, I don't know, this will definitely, sit in my travel bag because I use an electric toothbrush. But I'm excited to try. I have not had much luck with natural deodorants, but I will definitely give this a whirl. I will definitely try a spearmint toothpaste, which I haven't had in a long time. Vitamin C is definitely a winner. And of course, the Love, Beauty and Planet hand cream, which is what I said, okay, I'm going to grab the second one, because you never know, the size that you're going to get, like how large that other box had. The Shea Moisture was huge. So really, really excited about that. Like I said, they're $7. It's a nice little treat if you want. The difference of the boxes are the names of the boxes. So the blue box that had the toothbrush and all that in there is called Clean Routine, and the other one is called Spring Into Clean, which is the green box. So double check on Target.com, because they do have some past boxes still available there too. And if you want to check any of my Target beauty boxes, definitely go underneath. You go to my homepage, you go to videos, and you'll be able to see all of the titles and the pictures of what the videos are about. So if there's something that you missed or a Target box that you want to look deeper in, double check my posts so you can see it before you buy it. And that's it for today. All right. Once again, thank you so much for spending time with me. If you're enjoying my content, it's really important that you take the time to leave me a thumbs up And please leave me a comment if you decided on getting any of the Target boxes for the month of April. I would love to know. And if you've already had the opportunity, if you've already received the boxes, to tell me which products you tried and which ones are your favorites that are inside the boxes that are for April 2020. Once again, everybody, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.